Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, उम्मीद है कि आप ठीक होंगे। आज मैं बात करने वाला हूँ नैब ऑर्डिनेंस 99 से रिलेटेड एमसीक्यूज का पार्ट 6। क्वेश्चन नंबर 91। सेक्शन 19A डील्स विद इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम ऑप्शन ए स्पेसिफाइड पर्सन, ऑप्शन बी फॉरेनर, ऑप्शन सी एनी पर्सन, ऑप्शन डी all of above. The right answer is option C, any person. Question number 92. Section 19B of the National Accountability Ordinance 1999 deals with option A oral evidence, option B production of relevant documents or things, option C evidence through commission, option D none of above. The right answer is option B, production of relevant documents or things. Section 19, question number 93. Section 19 of the National Accountability Ordinance 1999 deals with information during option A inquiry, option B investigation, option C trial, option D both A and B. The right answer is option D, both A and B. Question number 94. Section 19C of the National Accountability Ordinance 1999 deals with option A examination of relevant person, option B examination of investigation officer, option C both A and B, option D none of above. The right answer is option A, examination of a relevant person. Question number 95. Section 19D of the National Accountability Ordinance 1999 deals with information from option A intelligence agencies, option B bank or financial institution, option C police, option D all of above. So right answer is bank or financial institution. अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं घर बैठा हैं क्या की भी सुता पिया उसी किले लांग गया उसी वक्त फिर शू बूं करना होता वीडियो बनाना बेटा हैं वो MCQ दी रिकॉर्डिंग वाली Question number 96. Section 20 of the National Accountability Ordinance 1999 deals with option A reporting of suspicious financial transaction, option B reporting of any further inquiry or investigation, option C judgment of any court, option D none of above. I leave that question answer for the genius person. Please write answer come in comment section. Okay. Question number 97. Whoever being bound to supply information in accordance with subsection A of section 20 shall be punished with rigorous imprisonment which may extend to option A 3 years, ऑप्शन बी 5 years, ऑप्शन सी 7 years, ऑप्शन डी none of above. The right answer is option B 5 years. Question number 98. Section 21 of the National Accountability Ordinance 1999 deals with option A provisional cooperation request for mutual legal assistance, option B international cooperation request for mutual legal assistance, option C both A and B, option D none of above. The right answer is international cooperation request for mutual legal assistance, option B. Question number 99. As per section 21, dash may request a foreign state for cooperation or mutual legal assistance. Option A foreign minister, option B prime minister, option C chairman NAB or any authorized officer by federal government, option D none of above. The right answer is option C chairman NAB or any authorized officer by federal government. Question number 100. Section 22 of the National Accountability Ordinance deals with option A jurisdiction of NAB court, option B extrajudicial activities, option C jurisdiction of chairman NAB, option D none of above. The right answer is jurisdiction of NAB of chairman NAB. थैंक यू गाइस, ये थी पार्ट 6 से रिलेटेड वीडियो। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक कर दें, नीचे कमेंट कर दें, अपनी सजेशन दे दें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए और बेल आइकन पर क्लिक लाजमी कर दें ताकि जो भी इससे रिलेटेड वीडियो अपलोड होगी उसका नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आपको मिलेगा। थैंक यू। अल्लाह हाफिज़।